Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to upload your Inshot videos directly to YouTube. If you have just finished editing a video in Inshot and you are ready to share it with the world, today's video is for you. So let's get started. First of all, find the Inshot app on your home screen. Now open it. Tap onto the video option and choose one video that you want to edit. Now edit the video however you want to edit it using the toolbars. You can add effects, text and stickers and edit the video however you want to edit it. After editing, here you can find the option of share. Simply tap on it. Now change the resolution, frame rate and format of the video and simply tap on to save. After few seconds, the video will be saved to your gallery. Now here you can find the option of YouTube. Simply tap on it, then tap on to continue. Now after few seconds, the app will look like this. Now tap one Google account that you have the YouTube on it. After that, the app will ask for the password to enter to the YouTube channel. Now tap the Google password and it will automatically take you to the YouTube app. And from there you can upload videos directly to the YouTube. And that's it. You have just learned how to upload a video from Inshot to YouTube. It's super simple and now you can share your creative projects with the world. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.